The modern world doesn't want you dead, but it doesn't want you truly alive either. It needs you exactly as you are right now, numb. It needs your metabolism slow so you remain docile. It needs your testosterone in the gutter so you lack drive. It needs your blood saturated with glucose so your brain never leaves the fog. We were engineered to be machines of sovereignty. Millennia of evolution to create hardware capable of crossing deserts and scaling mountains. And what did we do with it? We turned our temple into a warehouse for waste. Today, the average modern man faces biological bankruptcy before 40. We live in bodies that are prisons of flesh, inflamed by convenience and weakened by comfort. But the system has a critical flaw. It depends on your permission to keep you weak. And today, that permission is revoked. What you're about to see isn't a workout diary or an empty New Year's promise. This is a system restoration. For 2026, I've established 5 unbreakable bases. This is our strategic roadmap for the climb. We start with the hardware, because an iron will is useless if the engine carrying it is blown. If your body is unable to sustain your purpose, you've already lost before the fight even begins. We aren't training for aesthetics. We are training for density. We train because a weak body is easily manipulated, slow and submissive. We are here to sharpen the blade, to give the mind a razor's edge to work with. Because the rule is absolute. If the vessel breaks, the mission ends. Welcome to Level 0. The climb begins now. This project wasn't born from a simple desire for a better reflection in the mirror. It was born from a realization that we are living through a silent massacre. I looked around at my peers, men and women in their 30s and 40s, and I saw a terrifying pattern. We are no longer talking about diseases that hit you at 70. We are seeing strokes and heart attacks claim people in their prime. The data is undeniable. Global health reports show a massive surge in early-onset cardiovascular events over the last decade. We are the most technologically advanced generation in history, yet biologically, we are becoming the most fragile. It's not just the heart, it's the mind. Younger generations are drowning in a sea of cortisol and dopamine loops. Physical decay is always followed by mental collapse. We are anxious, depressed, and exhausted because our hardware is too weak to process the stress of the modern era. The Stoics knew this 2,000 years ago. They didn't train for vanity, they trained for sovereignty. They understood that a sound mind is a guest in a sound body, but it becomes a prisoner in a sick one. Seneca once warned that a man who is a slave to his body is not free. Today, we are slaves to our own neglect. I created the Mr. Influenciado project because I refuse to be a statistic. I refuse to watch a generation of architects, creators, and fathers wither away before they even reach their peak. This isn't just a workout. It's a defensive maneuver against a world that is making us sick by design. We are rebuilding the vessel, not just to survive, but to have the strength to think, to lead, and to endure the climb that 2026 demands. The motivation is clear. Survival is the baseline. Sovereignty is the goal. Now that you know why we are fighting, let's talk about how. How do we fight back? We don't start with a luxury gym membership. We start with a meme. I took the Saitama training, 100 push-ups, 100 squats, 100 sit-ups, and 10 kilometers, and I treated it as a tactical reset. Day 1 was a humiliation. I hit 30% and my system crashed. My lungs were on fire. But that failure was the first honest thing I'd felt in years. It was the sound of my limit being challenged. I brought the war to my living room. I bought a rope to weaponize my heart rate and a pull-up bar to test my structural integrity. This is calisthenics. It's you against gravity. We aren't training for volume. We are training for density. We are building a body that can move its own weight with precision. It's painful. It's boring. But consistency is the only way to break the limiters that years of comfort have installed in your DNA. But you cannot repair a machine if you don't know why it's broken. This is the system audit. You must check your diagnostics: testosterone, glucose, cholesterol. If your numbers are crashing, you aren't a man. You're a patient, and you need treatment. We monitor these rates because we are engineers of our own survival. And the fuel? We stop eating for pleasure and start eating for restoration. You need the basics: eggs, oats, potatoes, greens, legumes. This is the sovereign palate. It's cheap, it's accessible, and it works. To restore the temple, you must first stop the desecration. No smoking, no drinking, no synthetic escapes. We are purging the malware. We are repairing the machine with raw intent. No budget, no time, no space. Those are just the whispers of the ghost you're trying to kill. The man prime doesn't wait for perfect conditions. He creates them. We are building a body that can withstand the stress of the climb. Because next month, we start to build the mind. This is my path. This is how I am preparing for the weight of 2026. The Saitama routine, the rope, the bar, these are the tools I chose to break my physical limiters. But do not be mistaken. You don't need my specific routine. You need my resolve. Reclaim your vessel in a way that makes sense for you, but do it now, because the world is getting louder, and only the strong will be able to hear their own voice. We have sharpened the blade. The hardware is stabilized. But a powerful weapon is useless in the hands of a mind that is sick, fragmented, and broken by the noise of our era. We are living through a cognitive cage, trapped by economic anxiety, social pressure, and a technology designed to steal our focus. In February, we moved to Base 2, cognitive mastery. This isn't just about using AI. It's about recovering the ability to think. We are going to break the barriers imposed on our intellect. We are going to learn how to learn again, to study, to process, and to expand our mental horizons in a world that wants us shallow. We will use artificial intelligence as it was meant to be used, as a digital assistant, a navigator to help us cut through the fog and direct our focus. We are reclaiming our intelligence to become the architects of our own opportunities. We are stopping the consumption and starting the processing. Fix your body, protect your temple, and prepare yourself. The world wants you to remain a ghost. I want you to become a sovereign. This is the first of 5 bases. Don't just witness the restoration. Be part of it. Follow the mission and subscribe. Let's secure the next base together.